House hunting is one of the best parts of the home buying process. That's why it's so important to make the most of every open house you go to. Marcy Hines here at The Upside Now, and I'm sharing a few tips and tricks you need to know before you start house hunting. Number 1, make a plan. You can't house hunt if you don't know what you're looking for. Sit down with your realtor and create a home buying wish list. Having your needs clarified before you start house hunting will help you make the most of your time. You can prioritize the homes that actually fit your list versus the ones that don't have your must-haves. Number 2, take notes. You're going to look at a lot of homes throughout this process. Sooner than later, they're going to start blurring together. When you're touring each home, make sure to bring a notebook to take notes. As soon as you're done touring, spend some time writing down the pros and cons of that home so you don't forget. Number 3, be prepared. One of the most important things to do before you house hunt is get pre-qualified. I know it may seem just harmless to pop into an open house just to look, but if you fall in love with that home and aren't pre-qualified, you just might miss out. The great news is that getting pre-qualified is easier than you think. Click the link in the caption and take 5 minutes to complete our super easy online application. House hunting is really exciting, so make the most of it by creating a plan, staying organized, and having fun. Thanks so much for watching this week's video, and I hope it gave you a good idea of what you'll need to accomplish before you house hunt. See you next time.